Hello, today we are going to learn how to construct the tangent circle to a given line R and also to a given circle with a given tangent point T as shown here on the screen. So the first step is to draw a line starting at the origin O and passing through the tangent point T and elongating it as shown here. We will call this line line S. The next step is to draw a perpendicular line to S starting at tangent point T and elongating it until it cuts the given line R at a new point which we will call point P. So the next step is to work out the angular bisector between the new line T and the given line R. To do this, setting the compass on P and with any random radius, we are going to draw an arc until it cuts the two lines R and S at 2 points. These 2 points are going to be the center points of 2 more arcs with the same radius as before. These arcs intersect each other at a new point, as can be seen here. So now, joining this new point with the point P, we obtain the angular bisector that we are looking for. So now from P we draw a line through the intersection and elongate it until it cuts our line S at a new point. Which we will call O1. And this is going to be the center point of the tangent circle that we want to draw. So the next step is to obtain the tangent point on the line R. To do this, we just have to draw a perpendicular vertical line to R passing through origin O1 until it cuts the point R at the new tangent point T2, as can be seen here. So finally, setting our compass to the origin O1 and with a thicker line, we're going to draw our tangent circle which passes through tangent point T and T1 as shown here. So I hope this video has helped you. Please press like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you would like to, you can always support us by pressing the super thanks button. Until the next video, thank you very much.